to the Most High. Glorious you and you are the ruler, it's in you that my hope lies. Faux God, no lie, no right, I don't play both sides. Been so down with the windows down, truth music blowing at the whip so loud you repent when I roll by.
Alright, good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you are. We are on the road to get the S13 beta to sort out its clutch issues. On our basically on our first or second time we took it out, first time to the track, it was going great, but we think the clutch fried, but that's because the clutch master wasn't releasing properly. So we're on to get that and pull it out and sort out the damage, fix it for Matsuri. Hang tight. Alright guys and girls, the S13 is loaded up. We're heading back to the shop, find out the damage. Alright guys, bit of a hot one actually today in this shed. It's not going to be good for us, it probably says dripping with sweat. But S13 is on the hoist and we've got pull the gear shifter out, but we'll lift it up, pull the gearbox out, see how bad the clutch is and go get the new clutch, put that in, and hopefully Shannon's already ordered the right clutch master. So hopefully that's not going to cause that issue. So that was holding it on, that's what we believe is going on, holding it on to get the clutch pedal. So we're going to rectify that because that's why the clutch has died on its first proper outing. So we'll get it fixed. Let's do it. Alright, we're back. We have got the gearbox out. Now we thought the clutch was actually going to be completely fried because it just had no drive. We barely got onto the trailer. However, like that was obviously a few months ago. Now, today I put on the trailer and the clutch felt somewhat okay. Further inspection, flywheel looks still fine. So, well, that's a bit strange. Have a look at the clutch. Come through. The clutch itself actually is still fine. So we're gonna, it's not quite good because now we have to work out exactly what's wrong. So we're gonna look at, pretty sure it's the master that's not traveling back far enough and keeping pressure on the slave. So we're going to get rid of some spaces off the slave because we spaced that out because we initially couldn't get a pedal. So now we had the pedal, but obviously once it got hot, we lost clutch. So we're going to do that, put the box in, which is an absolute bastard of a job out of this car, and then rectify the mass, and hopefully it's going to be all good. So we'll see what happens. So we're going to give this gearbox a bit of clearance to be able to go in and out better. Come on! So I think that's brake fluid coming down from top. It's raining bolts! Car's still on the hood. There's not much, but it should help. Alright, let's send it this torture. Someone had a great idea to put an intake in an S13. Okay, David. Yeah, right, get in. You good? No, why are they struggling with the T5? Oh, well, you see. Go up again more. I reckon it might go. Yeah. Wow. What? That went in. What did it in? That was weird.
It's no RV.
No one was ready for that. Oh no, I wasn't. Hold on.
Here we were if it was going to take half an hour to get the gearbox in.
You know when you think it's going to go in really quickly?
Yeah.
Oh, Shannon, remember that time we put your gearbox in and it went in really easily?
And we forgot something very important.
Yeah, what was it, the clutch?
The clutch fork.
Yeah, you put the clutch fork on.
Yeah.
Gearbox is in the car, we've adjusted the clutch pedal and stuff, so we're going to test it now, see what it does. I don't know, it seems to be getting clutch, which is nice, but we'll just see how it drives. It's still a bit strange, maybe I got to adjust a little bit back and forth, I'm not sure which way, but see what happens. Restart it.
Back to third, go on.
Right, so it seems pretty good. Fourth gear, no. Not at least not off standstill, but third gear it seems to be fine, but it seems to be slipping a little bit still. So Might just have to back it off a little bit. Maybe it's holding a touch, but I think we're pretty good for Matsuri now. That's a wrap for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope the neighbours enjoyed it. We enjoyed it. The car works. Catch us at Matsuri. Thanks for watching. Give us a like. Whatever you want. See us at Matsuri. Have a great day. Cheers.